You ever notice how some people earning six figures still live paycheck to paycheck? They drive Teslas, eat avocado toast, post perfect brunch pics, but deep down, they're stressed about the next bill. Meanwhile, someone earning half that amount quietly builds wealth, investing bit by bit. Sounds unfair, right? We've all been told that being smart, educated, or having a high-paying job automatically leads to financial success. But here's the truth: it doesn't. Money doesn't follow logic, it follows behavior. And behavior is driven by emotion: fear, envy, ego, and impatience. It's not that people are dumb, it's that no one taught us how our emotions mess with our money. Fear makes us hoard cash. Envy makes us spend to impress. Ego pushes us into bad investments. And while we're busy reacting, the system profits from our mistakes. If we don't understand how money really works in our minds, we'll keep repeating the same mistakes no matter how much we earn. That's why this book matters. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel finally explains why smart people make dumb money decisions and how to stop the cycle for good. What if I told you that being good with money has almost nothing to do with how smart you are and everything to do with your emotions? Hey everyone, I'm Ethan, and welcome to Ethan's Money Library, where we're building wealth, one book at a time. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, it's free knowledge every week. Quick note, this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Today, we're breaking down The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel into powerful, human lessons that'll change the way you think about wealth forever. Let's dive in. Most people think wealth is about what you can see: the fancy car, the designer clothes, the big house. But real wealth, it's the money you don't spend. It's what you keep quietly growing in the background while others chase appearances. A Federal Reserve report revealed that 60% of Americans couldn't handle a $1,000 emergency, even those earning six figures. Because spending has become proof of success, people trade peace for perception. Now imagine walking into a store, seeing something shiny and expensive and realizing you don't need it. You walk away smiling, because your confidence isn't for sale. That's real financial freedom. The trap is believing luxury equals success. The truth: the wealthiest people often look ordinary because they're too busy owning assets, not showing them off. The richest flex is quiet. You don't need a big dream or a fancy goal to start saving. The truth is, you save because life is unpredictable. The world can change overnight, and money gives you the power to stay calm when everything else feels uncertain. Most Americans face at least one financial storm every decade: a job loss, a health scare, or a sudden expense that shakes everything. Saving isn't paranoia, it's preparation. It's choosing peace over panic. Imagine having a 6-month cushion, knowing you could lose your job tomorrow and still sleep like a baby. That's not just financial freedom, that's emotional security. It's the kind of quiet confidence money can buy. People think saving means missing out on fun, on freedom, on living in the moment. But here's the truth: saving gives you the power to say no, to walk away from stress, from pressure, and from anything that steals your peace. Saving isn't restriction, it's freedom in disguise. The most powerful force in finance isn't intelligence, it's time. Compounding rewards patience, not brilliance. The earlier you start, the more your money works like a loyal employee that never sleeps. If you invest just $200 a month from age 25, you could have over $400,000 by 55. But wait just 10 years to start and you lose half of that. Time isn't just money, it's the multiplier of money. Compounding is like planting seeds that quietly grow while you live your life. You don't need to watch it every day, just give it time. One day, you'll look back and realize how far it's grown. The biggest trap: chasing quick gains. The truth: the wealthy play the long game. They don't sprint, they climb, slowly, steadily, to the top of the mountain called financial freedom. The highest form of wealth isn't about how many zeros are in your bank account, it's about how much control you have over your time. Freedom is waking up without dread, knowing your day belongs to you, not to someone else's calendar. Studies show that people who feel they control their schedule are twice as happy as those earning more but trapped by time. Freedom, not money, is what makes life truly rich. Imagine waking up and deciding what to do, not being told. You spend the morning reading, take a walk when the sun feels right, and work on projects that matter to you. That's real wealth time that's fully yours. Peace for status. You're just rich on paper, broke in spirit. Real success is when your time is yours again. Money envy is a silent trap. It sneaks in when you scroll through social media and see someone else living your dream life. But remember, someone will always have more, and that's okay. The only game worth playing is your own. A 2023 study found that 40% of Americans feel stressed about money, not because they lack it, but because they compare. Think about that. Most people's anxiety isn't from bills, but from seeing others doing better. Imagine deleting that envy-triggering app. Suddenly, silence. You start focusing on your own goals, your savings, your peace. Your mind feels lighter, like you've stepped off a noisy racetrack and found your own calm road. The real danger is measuring your success by someone else's scoreboard. You only lose when you forget your own game plan. So stay focused, because wealth isn't about being better than others. It's about being better than you were yesterday. Sometimes, success isn't just about hard work or intelligence. It's about timing. Bill Gates didn't just work hard. He happened to go to one of the only schools with a computer in 1975. Millions of others never had that chance. And just like luck, risk plays its hand too. For every person who makes it big, there are others who took the same shot and lost everything. Life isn't always fair, but understanding that keeps us grounded. That's why humility is the real secret to lasting wealth. When you succeed, be grateful. Luck played its part. When others fail, show empathy. Risk did too. Staying humble keeps your ego from bankrupting your future. So remember, money doesn't always reward the smartest, just the most patient and humble. Success without gratitude turns into arrogance. But success with humility builds character, not just a bank account. It's crazy how even millionaires often don't feel rich. They hit one goal, and then immediately raise the bar again. That feeling of enough keeps moving further away like chasing the horizon. A recent survey showed that 60% of millionaires don't feel rich. That's because when your lifestyle rises, your expectations rise too. The new normal always feels normal. The truth is, you'll never feel rich if you don't define what enough means for you. Without a finish line, you'll just keep running forever, tired but never fulfilled. Peace doesn't come from having more, it comes from knowing what's enough. When you define it, you stop chasing and start living. That's when you finally feel truly rich.